Hello. I'm studying game development with you guys. In this video, we will show you how to install Unreal Engine 5 before you start learning about Unreal Engine 5. To install Unreal Engine, you must first install the Epic Games Launcher. First, search for Unreal Engine 5 on Google and access the Unreal Engine homepage displayed at the top. And click the download button in the upper right corner. This will allow you to view various information about Unreal Engine 5, including the specifications of Unreal Engine, before downloading the Epic Games Launcher. As with Unreal Engine 4, all features of the engine are provided for free, and a 5% royalty will be incurred when the revenue of the game released exceeds a certain level. When Unreal Engine 5 was due for release, this royalty raised the revenue bar significantly to $1 million. It's hard to reach $1 million in revenue without AAA games, so it's almost like a completely free engine for indie game developers below that. I hope your game makes $1 million in revenue, paying 5% royalties. Now go down and click the Download Launcher button to download the launcher. Then, run the downloaded launcher installation file to install the Epic Games Launcher, and after the installation is complete, run the Epic Games Launcher. After launching the installed Epic Games Launcher, select the Libraries tab in the Unreal Engine section. Then, click the plus button next to the engine version, and when the 5.0.0 version card is added, click the Install button to start installing Unreal Engine 5. Unreal Engine 5 is about 20 GB in size, so it will take some time to install. Just wait for this time to complete the Unreal Engine installation. After the Unreal Engine installation is complete, click the Run button to run it. Once Unreal Engine is up and running, you can either run an existing project or create a new one. Choose a game category and choose one of the templates to set the default for your project. And if you click the Create button after naming the project, a project is created with the template. After the creation of the new project is completed, press the Play button and you will see the template game running. You are now ready to create your game with Unreal Engine 5. This time, you learned how to install Unreal Engine 5. This video was produced with the donate and watching of the viewers. It was Vers Game Development YouTube. Thank you.